In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get different languages in Elevenlabs. As we dive into this topic, you'll find that it's a straightforward process, perfect for anyone wanting to make the most of speech synthesis capabilities across various languages. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Elevenlabs account and navigate to your dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all settings related to speech synthesis. Once you're there, look for the speech synthesis option. It's your go-to place for personalizing your audio outputs, adjusting nuances, and ensuring that the final product is just how you like it. Next, you'll want to look for the Settings panel. In the settings, there are various configurations that allow you to tailor the speech synthesis to your needs. Focus on the third option from the top within this panel. It often contains some of the most important configurations, including language settings, so it's vital to know how these elements are arranged. Here, you'll notice a small arrow pointing downwards. Click on this arrow. What this does is expand the menu to reveal more options. It's always great to make sure you're seeing all the available features rather than just a limited view. Now that you've expanded the menu, it's time to move to the selection process. This part is where the excitement builds because you get to choose from a range of language options. Find the option labeled 11 Multilingual V1. This is the key setting that unlocks a variety of languages for your speech synthesis. Selecting this option configures your account to use Elevenlabs multilingual capabilities, ensuring that you can synthesize speech in multiple languages efficiently. By selecting 11 Multilingual V1, you're tapping into an advanced feature of the platform that broadens your ability to communicate your content globally. It's a fantastic resource for anyone looking to engage with diverse audiences or simply experiment with different linguistic outputs for creative projects. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've now configured Elevenlabs to handle multiple languages, opening up a world of possibilities for your projects and communications. Remember, exploring these features can greatly enhance the reach and impact of your work, making it accessible to a wider audience. So go ahead and start experimenting with different languages today. You'll soon see how powerful and versatile Elevenlabs can truly be. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial. Whether you're creating content for business, education, or just for fun, these multilingual options can be a real game changer. Be sure to keep exploring and making the most out of your Elevenlabs experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy synthesizing!